They call it the lungs of the world, but for those who have tried to master it, it is known by a much darker name, the Green Hell. It covers 2.1 million square miles. It holds 10% of the world's known species. But more importantly, it holds secrets that have swallowed armies, explorers, and entire civilizations without a trace. Today, we step into the untamed. Why is the Amazon the one place on Earth that humanity has never truly conquered? If you were to walk into the Amazon today, you wouldn't survive the first 48 hours without expert knowledge. It isn't just the predators, it's the environment itself. The humidity is so dense, it feels like breathing water. The vegetation grows back so fast that paths vanish within hours of being cleared. This isn't a forest, it's a living, breathing fortress that actively resists intruders. Throughout history, the allure of gold and glory has drawn men into this green abyss. From Spanish conquistadors looking for El Dorado to modern-day explorers like Percy Fawcett, men have marched into these trees and simply vanished. The jungle doesn't just kill you, it erases you. It claims your gear, your maps, and eventually your legacy. And then there are the inhabitants. There are tribes in the heart of the Amazon who have lived for thousands of years without ever making contact with the modern world. They are the true masters of this hell. They don't fight the forest, they flow with it. Their existence is the final proof that this place was never meant to be owned. The Amazon remains the planet's final frontier, a place where nature still dictates the rules. We may map it from space, but on the ground, we are just